Today's video is brought to you by Squarespace. We use them for our own personal website where you can check out all of our PC builds. We'll discuss more about Squarespace later on in the video. Today we have our PC build for the Cooler Master Case Mod World Series, supported by MSI, Viper Gaming and Cooler Master themselves. We decided to do a case mod inside the NR200P case. We had to get a little bit funky with this in order to fit all the components and make it fully custom water cooled. We got a little bit crafty with the feet of the case, actually using some coat hook hangers, which ended up elevating the case and looking really nice. If you want to check any of the specs, I'll leave those in the description below. Now guys, coming up very soon, we have another PC build with Cooler Master and MSI, which is a worldwide giveaway. This is to celebrate 350,000 subscribers, so thank you to you guys. I'll be letting our Discord members know more about this firstly. So if you guys want to join our Discord, I'll leave that link in the description below. And if you'd like to support the channel, Patreon and YouTube channel membership links are in the description as well. Hope you enjoy. Squarespace is the all-in-one platform allowing you to build your online presence, whether it be running a business or creating a website. We have been using Squarespace for years. Squarespace is incredibly user-friendly, even for those with no website building knowledge. You can create and manage your pages and view analytics to quickly understand your audience and sell your products. We like to showcase our portfolio on our website. We can quickly add pages, you can select a pre-existing template, or you can create your own. You can customize the web page to your liking and add images, video, and information with ease. Online is absolutely everything. You can reach a broader audience, and a website is one key feature for a successful business. So why don't you guys get your work out there for everyone to see? If you are interested, you can visit squarespace.com/designsbyfr to receive 10% off your first purchase using coupon code DESIGNSBYIFR. You can also visit the link in the video description. Once again, thank you to Squarespace. We absolutely love your service.